Hey people, in this video we will be discussing about how you can set up your Google listing and also how you can optimize it. This is the second part of Google My Business. In first part we have discussed everything about Google My Business, its benefit, overview, features and all. In this video we will be setting up a Google My Business listing and also we will see how you can optimize it. See, because listing a Google My Business and setting it up is not a big problem, but the main task comes when to optimize it. You have to correctly optimize your listing so that you can rank on Google. If you have just set up your listing, then it wouldn't rank. You have to optimize it. So in this video we will practically see how you can set up and optimize your listing step by step. So let's move on to our desktop and see how we can do it. Okay, so I am on my screen and now let's start by step process of how you can create and set up your listing. So first you have to visit this site business.google.com. I have given the link of this in the description. You can directly click on that. Okay, so let it get loaded. You will see an interface like this. So after coming on this, you have to click on manage now. Okay, now through your email address, you can sign in. If you don't have a business email, you can create it from here. Now I have signed in successfully. So here you have to find your business. So if you think that your business is already on the web, then you can search here. You have to type your business name. I'm typing Hira Cosmetics because they are my clients. Okay, so you can see that there are 3 Hira Cosmetics in India. Now this is my client's ID. So okay, so I cannot create one with this address and this name. So it is already present on Google My Business. So first you have to check it through here that is your business present on Google My Business or not. If it is present, you can click on it and you can request an access to get access to your listing. So here you have to select your ownership or management and your phone number. Okay, so whoever has this access, they will give it to you. If you are the owner, then you will get it. Your business listing will get in your hands. So if you don't find your business here, then you can add your business to Google. Click on it. Okay, so start building your business profile. First, we will give a business name. Business category. Okay, so I have just given some sample name. Next. Okay, so here they are saying to add a location. So it is mandatory if you have a physical store, then you can add your location. Yes. What's the address? Now you have to write the address. After filling the address, you will get this map where you have to point your business location, exact location. Okay, wherever your business is located, just drag this and place it. Okay, next. So they are asking, do you also have do you serve your customer outside your own location? If you have an e-commerce site or something, then you can, yes, I also serve outside my location. No, I don't have, then you can go for it. Next. Okay, here you have to fill the contact details and current website. If you don't need a website, then you can click on this. Or if you need a free website which are providing by Google My Business, then you can click here. Okay, we will be discussing how you can create your own website in very few moments. So next, and these all details you have to fill. You have to not skip any of the details because it will optimize your post, your listing. So now you have to verify your address by they will send a postcard to your address within 12 days, and you have to see the code and you have to enter the code here. So you have to give first, you have to give a name, okay, and mail, or sometimes it is directly verified through your mobile number. In next, the third part of this, we will also see that how you can verify without getting a mail by Google My Business. So that is also one way how you can verify it. So here, if you have a physical location, within 10 to 12 days you will get a mail. So you will get a code and you will just need to verify it. Enter the code. Okay, continue. And it is very much mandatory to verify your business listing. If you don't verify it, it will not rank on your search page. Then you can add some your services like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content management. Show more or add some custom services. Okay, then next, it will help you if someone are searching for digital marketing. Then these services will help your listing to rank. So you can add your uh, timings also. I'm adding just simply something. Okay, you can sit and add and optimize it. Next. Okay, you can also accept messages. If a person have seen your listing and they want to message you, you can also accept their messages. And you can give your business description. It is also very much important. 2, 3 to 4 lines. You can define your business. You can define your USPs and what is specially new. So you can have here something. Then next. Now you have to add some photos of your business. Like you can add something, photos. I'm just adding some stock photos. You have to add real photos of your business. You don't need to take photos from your from the internet and just upload it here. You have to take some photos, very real photos, which can engage your audiences. And it is mandatory to add photos. Then it is almost ready. Continue. It will take you to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Google My Business. From here you can manage your listing. So you can see that only 80% of the our profile is been completed. It means our listing is not fully optimized. It is only optimized until 80%. So they are saying that logo is missing. You can add your own logo here from here. Okay. Then you can go here on info. From info, if you see that is there any information missing, you can add some attributes also. Attributes are something like, in previous video I have discussed about attributes, like you can add gender neutral restroom, appointment is required or not, mask is required or not. You can add these. Okay, these are some attributes, service attributes, health and safety attribute and all. Or if you have an opening date, you can add it. So it will gain a trust. Okay, you are since 2004, 2008 something. Okay, so these are not mandatory. Then okay, everything is fine. Just you have to add your logo and you can verify your listing. If you do these things, you will get 100% here. Your listing will be 100% optimized and approved. Okay. And see, in previous video, I have discussed about 2000 rupees credit. So here you can claim your credit. It will be redirected to the AdWords, and these amount you can use it to run ads like these for free of cost. Okay. So in an AdWord video, we'll be discussing how you can use this 2000 rupees. And then you post something or like something related to your business here. You can add COVID-19 update, offers, update, okay, events, or you can also add your product. You can also check insights. When your listing is old, you can also check your insights. But for insights, your listing should be verified. You can see reviews from here. If someone is reviewed 4-star, 5-star, you can reply it from here itself. If someone has messaged you like for your business, they can it will be appeared here. Okay, and to manage your listing day-to-day activities, you can install the app of Google My Business on from Play Store, through which you can easily verify. You can easily uh, do your work day-to-day activities. You can manage all the day-to-day activities. Now you can add some photos. You can add services. You can also add users. Create an ad. Okay, these are some advanced level. Okay, now you can see here there is an option called website. Click on it. Now from here you can create your own free website. So this you can build a trust among your customers if you have a website. Get started. Okay, so see, this is a simple website they have given to us. Okay, you can pick a theme from here. There are many themes. You can edit any text. You can add photos. You can also publish from here. Okay, this is a simple site. From here you can get some messages, call or direction directly. Okay, so this is just a one-page website. If you want to publish it, click on publish now. You are on the web. Cheers. Okay, so view site. So this is your website. Okay, you can share this website with your clients, customers. So here you can see that your business info, images, gallery, map, contact info, address, business hours, everything is here. And from here there are some call to actions. So this is a good website. You can have it as of now if you don't have a budget. But if you have a good budget of say 15 to 20,000, then you can have a professional website made on WordPress. So that will be very much beneficial. So this is it in this video. This was a small tutorial, step-by-step tutorial, how you can create your set up your business listing and also optimize it. For optimization, you have to fill all the information details and you have to verify it. Then it will automatically get very optimized. And whichever the reviews you are getting, you have to reviews or messages, you have to reply them so that your your website ranking gets increased. So this is it. You have to also post regularly, consistently. From here you can post whatever you are posting on social media, you can post it here also. Okay, and you can give a call to action to visit our website, to call us or something. You can also add products and you can make a good look on your Google My Business. So this is it. People, this was a simple tutorial of listing your business on online. So in this video this was a part 2 which we have completed setting up our listing and also how we can optimize it. So when your listing is verified, you can go for ranking it on Google pages. So in next third part of it, so for third part in third part we will be discussing how you can rank your listing on top page. with very few simple steps. I will be sharing my own tricks and methods through which we will rank on Google top page, top ranking. We will get a top ranking. So this is it for third part. To get notified, click on the bell icon, and thank you. Have a good day.